Hi guys! Welcome to Alcab TV, your go-to spot for anything kabaklaan, kaartehan, music videos, volleyball, drag race, food, travel, and many more. So for today's video, we are reacting to Blink Twice by BINI. It was released last February 13 of this year. And I heard that they will be having a concert here in New York on May 31st. And narinig ko na Madison Square daw. So parang, bigatin. So, yeah. Before I start, I just want to let you guys know na wala akong vocal or dance credential. Regular na fan lang ho ako na nakaka-appreciate ng music. So, and I just want to let you guys know na before BINI, I was already alive during to anyone, girl trends, pop girls, sex bomb. So, pwede ako mag-react kay umarte dyan. So, ayan. So, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out nyo na din yung mga videos na mga putsu-putsu lang. Pero like nyo na. And then, yeah. So, this is our first reaction video and why not BINI right away? So, let's go. Ang ganda agad nung styling. Hold on.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it.
Ganda nung visuals.
So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. But let's have some fun with it, cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're tryna roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me.
I'm at the spot, baby, tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like da-do, da-do, da-do. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
First of all, ang ganda nung visuals. Wala akong masabi, pang international talaga siya. And pwede na niyang labanan yung mga K-pop. Grabe, ang ganda nung visuals. Shout out to Miss Aika Villanueva, BINI stylist. Grabe. Kasi I started hearing about BINI back in when they released Pantropico, and then yun na, Salamin and then Cherry on Top. Yun. And little do I know na meron pa pala silang songs before that. So we will react to those. Like I heard Carrera is really good as well. Hindi na ako magre-react dun sa Pantropico, Salamin, and Cherry on Top kasi napanood ko na, and magre-react pa ako dun. You already all know na maganda siya. So hindi na authentic. So doon na lang tayo sa mga hindi ko pa napapanood, which is yun nga, Carrera, and I don't know the others. Pero grabe, sobrang layo na ng P-pop, nararating ng P-pop, and no doubt sila ang queens of P-pop right now. And grabe, Pinoy pride. Ako masabi. Gusto ko na sila mapanood live kasi I heard na live din sila talaga kumanta. Grabe, ganda. Ganda ng visuals, pang international, wala akong masabi. Grabe talaga. Yeah, ang galing sobra. And I can't wait to see their other videos, and I guess dance practices as well. And then I can't wait to hear them sing this live. And yeah, sana makakuha ako ng concert tickets. Subscribe kayo para ma-afford ko. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys are suggesting anything na reactan natin na video, comment down below. And yeah, guys, have a good day. And see you on the next one. Bye!